Why am I logging?
Huh?
Why am I logging to my PayPal?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What is my login to my PayPal? Show it on your screen your proof what you have.
You want to do this?
Yeah, show it now.
Your face, yeah? The next one, yeah? See the money, yeah? This how much? This is $1,500. Yeah, $1,500. I go for the one where said 2,000. You know you're gonna lock me up. You know you're gonna change the password, but it's okay. No, not mine. See there, so the 1,800 we send you so. 1,800 we send you so. 1,800. Yeah, screenshot them before you log me out. You know you're gonna change the password. How you use it? To the 2,000 that we send. To the 2,000 we send. 2,500 we send. Yeah, they send it October 1st. They are show them wicked man. The 2,500 there. I said then have $2,100. $2,130 in a pound. So this is one $2,000. That's a $2,000 in a pound. And see that at 2,500, yeah. But that at 2,500, wait. See that at 2,500 in a black. And 2,000 odd. That's what? About $6,000. That's $7,000. That's the number phone. So, me don't know where I got to say now.
I just say thief all of that money.
Me don't know to thief it. Me don't know about the
so the fuck you come talk about the people them thief for money? Eh? You want me to show you all of my Jamaican transaction between me and her now?
No, we don't have to do that.
So the fuck you come talk about people thief for money?
Eh? Did you get the whole of the money?
How for money? How for one?
We're not being biased to us, sir.
Everything when we say this, when we get this up. Everything when we send, what she send to me. A 2 account me I use. 2 accounts you send money to. You know what I say, June? He's a family.
He's a family?
Yeah, brother. He's a family. He's a family. Because every money we transact this, sir, send to me.
As I say it to me.
Larry, I'm going to show you something. Go for your car with the front. Go to Afi and go for my bag. Go for the bag with the Afi.
You don't have to do that to the sir.
Go for your bag with the Afi.
You don't have to do that to the sir, but you don't have to do that.
Wait, sir. No, man. We have to say, just show that I want to go. I'm going to show you something, man. I'm going to show you something.
That's what you do, make him alone stay and talk. You're not going to argue with him, sir. How we're not going to do money showing that.
Money for who thief money.
Listen to me as a big man. We're not going to do no money showing that stuff. So, alright, have a pleasant good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
See your mommy there for life.
Go feel bag, yeah.
One big man.
Too much.
Bye-bye.
No, you that go for what's up, man, come back. We're not going to wait till you come back.
Remember your mother said she TV 9,000, you know. So I don't know where you are with me for. Remember your mother said she thief your money. I say you buy one view for 9,000.
Mama?
I mean, so we go work, but anyway. We're not going to do the careless activity, so we got to smile a while. Where's the now?
Stop follow me up, June.
Yeah, follow you up.
No, but you talk about people for money. I have
Yeah.
money. You have proof that I make transaction. That you have proof to do.
They get
That's
every
all you
dollar.
have proof for. What? What you say?
You get every dollar.
I saw my in my pocket now. I'm gonna show you something, you know. I'm gonna show you something. John, I pay the work money I work on my house a while ago. Yeah? I just pay the work money I work on my house a while ago.
So I let you go for sure, but say you have money.
What do you mean? Something supposed to do like bank book? You know, I go for something then. I go for something, man. Come I show you.
You know why you show me nothing? I'm not show me nothing. Don't show nothing. Not show me nothing. Not show me nothing. I saw if you're gonna show. Him come back in. Him buy the shoes. Oh God, that's nice.
You see this? You see this?
That's nice.
Two of them I use. Two of
Everybody fit them shoes.
Them I use.
Everybody fit them shoes, sir.
Them I use up. I fi use up. Look like punk to you, man. One card you have. One digga card you have. And I want NCB card. You mean by woman thief for money? It's a transaction. I never know you have access to it for true. I not go around you. I never know you have access to it for true. It's a new one I use now. So you never see no more going on that. But you see, them transaction you see, them I have to use up. Them I use. Yeah? The two of them. When I reach to one, it reach the other one. The info not change, I just not use no more. I not use the one no more at all, but she attack. But the one she attack, now I use no more. The number them, they have a skill to catch a number, yeah. If you mean me catch a number, what am I going to do to it? Big idiot fool. I like fool people, you know. I never know you have the blouse and skirt access to that. I didn't know I change that long blouse and skirt time. I don't tell people you know some people that them say I'm not use it for true from the first time I put it up there. From the first time I put out that cash up there. The paper, the first time I put out the paper, everybody I say I rose paper. And I say no, rose paper. And believe for me. I go for them a long time, you know, because I want to wait and take so long for go find them.
You know, say for go over half.
Which part have to live? I go for them, man. Young girl try something, you hear people attack and you jump and bandwagon. You're too enough, man. And not even you, me artist stop using paper. And not even you, me stop using paper. But I never really know, say, so they went in there. Have the access, the login. You me did build it for. I did build it for you, Rosealee. I build it for you. You me did build it for. I never know, so even you really get the login to it. I make a new one long time. The one with the parameter, so our new one. This is our new one. This is our new one out there right now. So all of them transactions that we should talk about. Any? I should not even know, brother. I should not even know. And when I stop, I constantly comment about assassinate. Look at that, man. I'm not going to start assassin either. Me not going to start assassin. So I go back over fear part. No matter what I want, so I'm not going to start assassin. One back over fear part. You understand? I'm not going to stay for long for your need, I know. You don't go watch your note and make concrete say she have access to that paper. I don't have to change it. More than I just stop use it. You can start use it now. I come talk about screenshot. You can't screenshot nothing in a paper, idiot. Just know say it up on screen record it on TikTok. That's all you for glad for. I'm not change your login either. One thing again. Oh. Any queen, I look more now. Lee. Ashley, so circle. Well, normally have so much people over here. I'm sick. But people are thief for money. Nobody not thief for money. Everything come to me. Everything come to me. You hear that? I do that now, not any queen. Not playing a match yet. She must feel embarrassed because she never knows me that take out so much money in front of her and show her me care them. She never know me that take out so much money in front of her and show her me care them. She must feel embarrassed.
What is the song?
As I talk about grabber. As I talk about grabber. Team. Circle, you know. Look at me. I come back look at me. I talk to my mother into them.